Okay. Okay, are you ready to listen to the story now?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start, we will know first the characters of the story. Okay? And then you have to listen to
Teacher.
eyes on the
Oh.
Okay, very good. Okay, so first, let's meet Clyde. What's the name of the cat? What's the name of the cat? Clyde. Okay. His name is? What letter does the word Clyde starts with? Again? C. What is the sound of letter C again? Okay. And she is mother cat. Everyone say mother cat. Again, who is she? Mother cat. Okay. Now, she is Clarice. Everyone say Clarice. Does this start with letter C? Clarice. Clarice. Does this start with letter C? Yes. Okay. She is mom. She is the mother of Clarice. Again, what do we call her? No, mom. Everyone say mom. Mom. Okay. She is the mother of Clarice. And he is dad. Again, who is he? Again. Dad. Okay. What is his name? Clyde. Very good. Who is she? Mother cat. Who is she? Who is she? Clarice. Mom. Very good. Dad. Very good. Okay, are you ready for the story now? Okay. Our story is about Clyde the cat. Okay. Clyde the cat is an orange cat. He is very, very playful. He is the pet of Clarice. Okay. Clyde wants to play always with Clarice. Look, he really likes to play with Clarice. He likes to play with yarn also. And he always loves to sleep on the pillow. One day, it's Clarice's birthday. It's the first time that Clyde saw a birthday party. He is very, very happy. He enjoyed the clown. He enjoyed the colorful balloon. He enjoyed the delicious food. He enjoys the cupcake, the crab, and he enjoys also the candies. But there's one thing that Clyde wants from the delicious food from the birthday party. Do you know what? What do you think Clyde wants? Aside from the clown, aside from the colorful balloons, aside from the crab, the cupcakes. Okay, teacher will show you, huh? Clyde wants the lighted candle on the birthday cake. Yes, he wants the lighted candle on the birthday cake. So, Mother Cat knows that Clyde wants the lighted candle. So the mother cat told Clyde, do not go near the lighted candle. So do you think Clyde listened to mother cat? Do you think Clyde listened to mother cat? Really? Let's see. Yes. Clyde did not listen to mother cat. What he did, he went on the table and he tried to touch the lighted candle. So what do you think happened? Is it ouchie? Is it ouchie?
Yes.
Is it ouchie to light the lighted candle?
Yes.
Yes. So Clyde hurt himself. He burned his toe. So what happened to Clyde? Clyde tried to run away, but instead of jumping off the table, look, instead of him jumping on the table,
No.
plop,
No.
plop. What happened? Where is she? Where is he? Where is he? He landed on the cake. He landed on the cake. Is he scared or happy? Is he sad or happy?
Sad.
Sad because he hurt his toe. See? So Clyde is very sad. So Clarice, so what happened to Clyde? So Clarice doesn't know what to do. So what did Clarice do? He instead, what? He called Mom and Dad to help her help Clyde. So what did Dad do is, he get the handkerchief of Mom, wet it in the faucet, and roll it to the burned toe of Clyde. So, after that, Dad put Clyde to his mom. Now, is he sad or happy?
Sad.
He is sad because he should listen to his mother. Correct? He should always listen to his mother. So what Clyde did, he said sorry to Mom. He said sorry to Mom and promised that next time he will always listen to mother cat. Okay. Are you like Clyde also? Do you listen to your mom?
Yes.
Do you listen to your mom?
Yes.
Very good. So always listen to your mom so you will not get hurt. Okay? Okay, so that's the end of the story of Clyde the cat. Okay, everyone say Clyde